Let's make a little greenhouse out of something from the recycle bin. This is a large lettuce container, and I just poked 4 drainage holes in the bottom. And then I laid a paper towel in the bottom so none of the dirt would fall out. Next, if you have some seed starting mix, put that in. If not, use some potting soil and just put several inches of soil in the bottom. And then you can just smooth it out. And then you're ready to bring over the water hose and gently spray the dirt to make it moist. That kind of sets the dirt, and it also just gets it moist and ready for the seeds. I like to water it before I plant. I decided to start some banana pepper seeds, and I think it says to plant them 1/4 of an inch deep, so I just put them about 1.5 inches, 2 inches apart, and use the handle of a spoon to poke them down about 1/4 of an inch. Spoons are one of my favorite gardening tools for little jobs like this. Then you just smooth the dirt over the top. Next, I made some furrows so that I could plant some zinnia seeds. They also need to go 1/4 of an inch deep. I've already put them in there, and you can see where I'm pointing the little seeds. And then I also used the handle of the spoon to put those in 1/4 of an inch. Then I just gave them a little bit more water to set the top, close the lid, and this little greenhouse is ready to go. Keep it in the sun. It doesn't matter if it freezes outside, they'll stay toasty in there. Make sure it stays moist, and look, a few days later my zinnias were coming up. I'll be transplanting these into my flower bed using that spoon. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more.